All right, folks, Mr. Dell here. We are looking at writing and solving proportions. This is from CPM course 2, and this is section 8.33. So the directions say to write and solve a proportion for the following problem. In a recent survey for student council, Dominique found that 150 students out of the total of 800 students on campus did not like soda. If half the student body was going to attend a dance, how many of the students could she expect would want soda? So our ratio is that 150 students here. We always start with a ratio. When we know that we're dealing with a proportion problem, you're gonna have to start with the ratio. Your ratio is 150 students. Okay, so it's 150 students out of 800 students. So 150 students out of 800 students. And what about these students? So it's 150 students out of 8 do not like soda. So 150 students do not, so I'm going to write this up here. So I have the notes, like soda out of 180 students total. So that's my total student body. Okay. So there's my first ratio. And then it says, is if half the student body was going to attend the dance, how many students should she expect would want soda? So this is do not like soda, right? So I could say 150 out of 800 do not like soda. But not all of them are going to the dance, only half of them. So if I have 150 out of 800, and again, not like soda, then how many would not like soda if there's only 400 going to be at the dance? What would we do? We would divide. If to show this ratio, you would actually see, you want to know what this is. That's your X or your question mark. I can divide top and bottom by 2. And that would tell me that, oh, that's going to equal. So that's because why divide by 2? Because 800 divided by 2 is 400. 150 divided by 2 is 75. So what did that tell me? That 75 going will not want soda. Will not want soda, right? So, but the question though said, how many would want soda? So how do I figure that out? If 75 out of 400 don't want soda, so then I just have to do the opposite. So I have to take 40 minus the 75 to figure out how many want soda, right? So 400 minus 75 would be 325. So we would at that point know that 325 want soda. So I used a proportion. This is my proportion to solve for how many will not want soda that's going to go to the dance. And then I just found the other part of the students that would want soda. All right. Good.